Multiply 215 by 150 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 5. Start one place to the left. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 1 plus the carried 2 is 7. 5 times 2 is 10. The second partial product is 10,750. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. The third partial product is 21,500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 7 plus 5 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 0 plus 1 plus the carried 1 is 2. In the 10,000s column, 1 plus 2 is 3. The product of the whole numbers is 32,250. So 215 times 150 is 32,250.